Greetings from Brunnsviken Nakenbad, the most central nudist beach in Stockholm. It is located in the beautiful nature of Frescati on the Brunnsviken lake, and on this 5th of October 2024 it is completely empty. It is a Saturday, 4:30 p.m. right now. We have 13 degrees Celsius in the air, and it seems that the summer season is officially over here as well, as I'm the only one right now over here. So the beach is rocky, and there are a few green areas as well on the sides, and this is how it looks like on an early October day. Stunning, right? Absolutely beautiful. And it is then time for another beach adventure with Chris, and this is the first time I visit Brunnsviken Nudist Beach this year. And last year the video for this beach had a lot of views. It was a cloudy day, not really sure if it was September or October, but now we have at least some sun to show you how it looks like on a sunny day. And I'm not really sure how warm is it in the lake, actually sea, because this is actually part of the Baltic Sea, but the water is not salty at all, as there's a very short passage towards the Baltic Sea. But let's see how warm it is, because it's a bit of a closed area over here, so I'm not really sure. Somebody has put in also a chair over here to chill on the nudist beach. And yes, the beach is marked on Google Maps as Brunnsviken Nakenbad. And when I was here in summer a few times in the previous year, it was quite crowded during the summer months. Alright, so 5th of October, beach number 163 of my Sweden beach adventures. And this is a beautiful nature over here. It's quite close actually to Universitetet, the stop for the tram, the light rail that goes towards Täby. But also you can come by bus number 50 to Universitetet also as well, and even by walk from central Stockholm. It's very convenient and close. Yes, so it's part of the university campus area. There is university and also apartments for students, and also nature, beautiful nature. That's part of the Kungliga Djurgården, the kingdom garden, as it is called, the north one, as there is one more closer to the city. Okay, then let's check out how warm it is in the water, or cold should I say, before I go in. So the entry to the water is quite interesting, but you can see the beach is very nice, and it gives very much nudist beach vibes indeed. And we have 15 degrees Celsius in the sea, or lake should I say, not really sure. But it is time to take a swim anyway, as every day is a beach adventure day. October still offers great weather, I mean decent weather, as 13 degrees, it's not that hot to be fair, but still very nice. And I can't believe that I'm exploring yet another nudist beach in Stockholm. There are so many, obviously, to be fair. So yes, the most central nudist beach in Stockholm, Brunnsviken Nakenbad, and it's time for me to take a dip in Brunnsviken. Let's go! Quite nice. I can feel a little bit salty and it's part of the Baltic Sea, but it's a separate water area. I'm not sure how to call it, as it is not a lake as such. But yes, that on the other side is Haga Parken, and the Haga Park that's so beautiful, and people use it a lot for recreation, for running, for walking, and so on. Alright. So yes, from here we have around maybe 3 kilometers to center Stockholm, so quite central indeed, and to Vasastan it's even closer. So cool, that's a wrap from Brunnsviken Nakenbad. This is the most central on this beach in Stockholm. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!